Hi garden lovers! Today I'd like to proudly present a fabulous plant that combines color, resilience and truly spectacular flowering throughout the whole garden season. It is called Jamesbrittennia Safari, certainly signed from Provenwinners. Their exceptional heat tolerance is the key to the impressive summer performance of the Safari varieties. Its vibrant flowers in shades of cherry red, bright pink or lavender completely cover the plant, creating a dense flower cushion from March throughout until late autumn. The so-called South African phlox is a true all-rounder. It is perfect for pots, balcony boxes and baskets, and is also ideal for mixed combinations, for example with euphorbia, diamond frost, lobularia, snow princess or sweet potato vine, for example. Now, why should you choose Jamesbrittennia Safari? There are several compelling reasons I can tell. The new Safari varieties are light years ahead from anything we have ever seen before. Compared to older varieties, these here are far more humidity and heat tolerant. Furthermore, they have an excellent spherical, semi-cascading and voluminous growth, and we certainly appreciate their lush and tireless flowering even at high temperatures. Jamesbrittennia Safari is the perfect choice for sunny or semi-shady exposures. Its varieties reveal their full potential as summer flowering wonders in hanging baskets, of course. It is extremely resistant, generous and an absolute performer. And like all Provenwinners plants, it has been selected to give maximum effect with minimum effort. Now, which color inspires you most? The pink of Safari Flamingo, the lavender of Safari Glow or the fiery red of Safari Lava? Please tell us in the comments. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on more extraordinary plants from the Provenwinners world, guarantor of innovation, quality and long-lasting beauty. Bye dear friends, see you next time!